Today we are not making home fries, we are not making french fries, nor hash browns. We are making a creamy potato soap. Yes, I said it. I'm gonna take a potato and I'm gonna make a beautiful creamy natural soap. Will it work? Please keep watching and let's see. Good day, awesome people. I am Natasha, and how you doing? How you doing? How your friends doing? How your family doing? How you doing? I hope that you're doing well. So today I decided to make a potato soap, you guys. Yes, I'm gonna take a potato, specifically an Irish potato, and I'm gonna incorporate it in my soap batter, and I want to see if it works. Now, later on in the video, I will be discussing off and on some of the benefits reportedly for the potato on your skin. So nothing I'm talking about is about a potato that you would eat. This is all the benefits of the potato on your skin directly, okay? Anyway, in the beginning you saw me adding sugar. You guys know I add sugar to all my batters because sugar helps to boost lather. It is an awesome natural resource if you want to boost lather in your cold process soap. And also, I wasn't sure how this potato was going to behave in the soap, so I decided to just keep my recipe simple but the same how I always do it. And there you go. Here we are with my oils, and I decided to blend my potatoes in the oil. Now, as you can see, the potatoes started to oxidize because it can't be, it can't be exposed too long. That's okay. But I wanted to blend it with the oil first without adding the lye because I wanted to see how it behaved. I wanted to be as pureed as possible in my batter. I didn't want the chunks to be too big, but honestly, there are small bits and chunks in it. But that to me was okay. That gave it that homemade feel that I was looking for. I wanted to feel like I was getting the maximum amount of benefits out of this potato. Now I'm adding my lye solution, my lye sugar water solution to the mixture, to the oil potato mixture, and I'm blending it. Now the one thing I did realize about the potato, you guys, is that it does have a high water content. I was reading it has between 80 and 99% water content. I mean 99%, it is a watermelon? All right, which is great. It means that the soap will be very hydrating. But what it also means that it might take a little bit more time for your soap to cure because the soap is going to be probably a softer soap. I love the way the soap was behaving. As you can see, I was blending again the colorants, and I did not want a lot of extra, you guys. The madder root powder is a natural root plant ingredient. It's great for mauvey pink colors. If you haven't seen that video yet, I do have a video of natural plant botanical colorants you can put in your soap, and I decided to put that in. I wasn't really trying to do anything extravagant or crazy, you guys, or intricate details. I just wanted a beautiful potato soap. The soap batter looks so creamy when I was blending it. Putting the soap batter in these dividers to just try to create some kind of design. Now, what's the big deal with potatoes? What's in it that's supposed to be so great for your skin? Potatoes contain something called azelaic acid. It's supposed to be integral in helping to brighten your skin. It helps to brighten dark spots that are located in the skin, or maybe if you have some blemishes, dark spots, maybe you might suffer from hyperpigmentation. Allegedly, this acid helps to reduce those dark spots. Potatoes also contain vitamin C and potassium, and these also help to fade away spots. Now, potatoes also have an enzyme in it called catecholase, and catecholase, along with the vitamin C and the acid, help to handle some of the blemishes and dark spots in your skin. Now, you guys, I'm all for helping the skin, okay? Let me just address the elephant in the room here. I'm all for addressing, you know, if you have some blemishes, some burn marks and things like dark circles, I'm all for addressing it. There are a lot of countries that I realize in doing research on this potato soap, or the potato in general, they use this to help to counteract tans. They'll take the juice from the potato and they'll use it on their skin to help with tans and things of that nature, help to brighten your skin. Now, unfortunately, I'm also reading that they use the potato to whiten your skin. Please don't do that. I mean, you're grown, you can do what you want, but help your skin. Just help it. Do not try to whiten your skin. You're beautiful, guys. Whether your skin is pearly white, whether your skin is pink, whether you have freckles, whether you're brown, rich melanin, coffee, toffee, mahogany, you know, whatever your skin tone, texture, whatever content of melanin that's in your skin or not in your skin, guys, love your skin. Just love your skin. I can't, there's like where I'm from, where my family's from in Jamaica, it is so prevalent that people are bleaching their skin and you don't know what the long-term effects are of that. Now, I understand it's a lifestyle issue, like sometimes you can't get jobs or whatever, but I really want to help promote beautiful, healthy skin, not trying to alter it or change it because of some type of social pressure. Okay, so I just want to address that. You can do what you want, you grown, but I'm promoting healthy skin, so I'm not in any way trying to promote whitening your skin or bleaching your skin or doing anything like that. You're beautiful. I don't care what nobody gotta say. Tell them Natasha from Natasha Suds and Scents said that they need to kick rocks if they don't like your skin tone. Whether it's bright, whether it's pale, whether it's dark, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm so tired of that. Anyway, that's my rant. That is my rant. We are trying to create a beautiful design in this loaf, honey. I just kept changing my mind. That's the problem with this. But it doesn't decrease the functionality of this potato soap. Also, if you stay tuned to the end, you will see I'm going to do a lather test. Yes, a lather test. For those of us who actually watch my videos to the end. Yes, I've been watching the analytics, and some of y'all don't be watching my videos to the end. Oh my gosh, I had too much coffee today. 24 hours later, here's the soap. It's still a bit soft, but it came out beautiful. I can see like the tiny little soap specks. The tiny little potato specks in the soap. And I wasn't crazy about the top. Later on, you're going to see me trimming that top off. But look at the inside. That is beautiful. It's creamy, it's soft, oh my goodness. And I can see some of the potato flakes in it, but it's not like overpowering. The design is the design, honey. She's simple, she's not trying to be crazy. She just want her simple dress on. She ain't got time for all that pizzazz and extraness, but she beautiful regardless. Also, guys, I just want you to know, after about a couple of days, the soap did begin to harden up, even though when I cut it, initially it was soft. Beautiful. And I do believe that the natural sugars in the potato plus the water content in the potato is boosting this soap content. First of all, you have the natural sugars in the potato, which is definitely going to help with the lather in this bar. And then you have the natural water content in this potato that's going to boost the hydration of this soap bar. I'm not sure if you guys were expecting an intricate, like detailed design, but I think this design was simple and elegant. All right, now here we go with the lather test. Now guys, just keep in mind, this is about 7 days after I made the soap. Look at the bubbles. Can you look at the bubbles? Look at the size of the bubbles. The soap lathered great. There was no hindrance. There was no problem. It smelled pretty neutral. It just felt good on the skin. And also, you guys, when I rinsed off my skin, now it could have a lot to do with the ingredients that I use, but my skin felt very soft, very soft. So look at that. You can get a nice lather. So if you want to use it to shave, you can use the soap to shave with, shave them legs, shave those armpits, mustaches, and beards. But it was very beautiful, very moisturizing. I think it would make a great addition to your routine if you already have a natural routine of moisturizing your skin. And it was easy to do. I mean, if you guys want me to do more soap that includes things like root vegetables and stuff like that, I can do them. I think they're all beneficial because they get their ingredients from Mother Earth, honey. So it's gonna be good for your skin. I want to tell you to please take care of your beautiful skin, no matter what shade it is. Protect your energy from these energy stealers that always want to say something negative. You tell them to kick rocks. And you have an awesome week. Please watch my videos because YouTube is kind of bugging out with the algorithm. But you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a safe and blessed day. And bye for now.